How to find reminder emails notifications settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find reminder emails notification settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and then click here, and now click on your this one on these three lines, and then settings, then notifications, and now here we'll see this one, the last one here, email notifications. Click on it, and here we'll find reminder emails, and as you see here you can manage it. Here you can turn it off or on, and that's it, and that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.